you know that the human body is made up of several different systems that allow us to perform our daily tasks? For example, the nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. The human brain receives input from the sensory organs and sends output to the muscles through the nerve cells. Another example, when you accidentally touch something hot, your brain will receive signals from the sensory organ and immediately send signals to the muscles to move your hand away. Then we have the skeletal system, referring to our bones, that provide support for our body and protect our internal organs. Also, we have the muscular system. Our muscles enable us to move. Likewise, a robot operates in a similar way. Let's take a rero robot for example. Like humans, the rero robot has a controller that acts as the brain. It is the most important part of the robot. All the robot programs are stored here. Like the human brain, the controller processes information received from the sensors and then gives commands to the motors to move or perform a task. The robot also has nerves, that is the wires, to connect the controller to the motors. The rero robot also has sensors, allowing it to sense its surroundings and react to the environment. For example, adding a sound sensor allows the robot to hear sounds. Adding an ultrasonic sensor allows it to detect the distance of an obstacle. The robot has other parts, such as cube joints, U-joints, and interconnects. They hold the body together and provide support, similar to a skeletal system. And then, there are motors, that is the muscles for the robot. The motors enable the robot to move by converting electrical energy from the battery into mechanical energy. There are various types of motors, such as AC motors, DC motors, stepper motors, and servo motors. The motors used in the rero robotic system are servo motors called cube servos. What is so special about a servo motor is that it can rotate to a specific angle and it provides position feedback. Thanks to this, robots created with the rero system are able to perform precise movements. A servo motor also has a gearbox to decrease the motor's speed and thus increase the torque. Torque is a twisting force that causes an object to rotate. For example, you apply a torque when you turn a dial, drill a hole or tighten a screw. A higher torque enables the robot to move a heavier load. Rero cube servos can be set to two different modes. The first mode is the position mode, which is used to control robot joints, like arms and legs. The second mode is the wheel mode, which allows for continuous rotation. As the name suggests, it is used to control the wheels in wheeled robots. How your robot moves depends on how you arrange your motors. For today, let's get started and learn how to use the cube servos.